Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing MTS006. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of questions, answers. If you need answers of all the uh, PDFs, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. We provide any type of solutions of any subject, any course. You have to just say hi on our WhatsApp number. We will contact you within a day, and we will also provide all the solution within a day after the payment. So this is the question number 2B is here, which is using Poisson brackets, obtain the value of alpha and beta for the given transformation. Q is equal to Q alpha sine beta p equal to Q alpha cos beta p. Obtain the generating function F3PQ. So this is the answer, which is we were prepared according to the marks word limits. And if you need answers of all the questions, so you can contact us without any hesitation or thinking. We will provide all the answers within a day. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.